Hello everyone, I am your Jasbir teacher. I hope you all well. Today we are going to learn one new sound as we have learned so many sounds. And now we will learn a new sound, the sound of O. O. First of all, we will learn some words. Now we learn some words from O. O and A makes a sound O. Okay. Here is our first word. K O T. Goat. One more time. K O T. Coat. Here is goat. You can see this picture. Next is R O D. Road. One more time. R O D. Road. See this picture. Next is S O P. Soap. S O P. Soap. We're using soap every day, no? For bathing and washing our hands. Next is K O T. Coat. K O T. Coat. We use coat in winters. T O S T. Toast. T O S T. Toast. You are eating toast with milk or coffee. T R O T. Throat. T R O T. Throat. Here is our throat. F L O T. Float. F L O T. Float. Now let's sing a song of up sound. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Let's sing this song with music. Okay.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
Wow! I hope you all have learned this sound very nicely. Okay, just revise at home. Have a nice day. Bye.